niwinile nga 1-0 namhlanje ngicela umtshele usigame uyibone njani
igame ngibone imnandi igame into engithanda ngocoach wethu akanayo best level ucoach wethu and akanama substitute ucoach wethu unama impact players ucoach wethu anama sub ucoach wethu ngiyamthanda kakhulu uAbdislam ngiyamthanda and ukwina kwethu uwina ngo-1-0 is fine vele besidlala away from home which means besenzeni mayini siyazi vele khona vele impisi engengizisho but ngiyabonga uParis uwinile finally another about imarumo or ulentuza i-Arrows is fine but I'm so happy ukuthi Paris uwinile ngiyathanda indlela angicomplain ngalose ngoba iPirates yonke idlala kamnandi anayi best level nePirates.
Before uyiqeda la ngifuna ungitshele ukuthi kule final esiya kuyo yini lobona ngasiyowina le cup.
Okay, before ngiphethe lo ngicela iHotman ngilandela kakhulu mina ngifuna KZN yabo khona ngilandela kakhulu khona khuluma ngezo Hotman yabo before siya kwi final ifanele soyithatha vele ifanele soyina vele final yes ifanele vele yesibhele but ngicela ukuthi ngibonga something yabo Hotman le ngiyalandela kuFacebook kakhulu li-on Hotman kancane Hotman fair
Ngiyakuthanda nami.
Yazi khona uhleze khona ukhuluma kamnandi ngebhakabhaka ngineqiniso ngihleze kulandele Hotman ifoni yami ngibona ngikusavele Hotman yabo Hotman le nto enza i-right ngiphinda ngibonge Hotman ukuthi nje ngikhuluma ngivele la yabo ngivele nje la ngiyabonga
ngibonga isikhathi sakho Brian ngiyabonga